Well,
Absolute response.
I hope that ang una-una actually, what is really very significant is that I hope there would be a sort of a new relationship or modus vivendi, whatever kind, between China and America. Kasi si Trump is not an ideologue. It's more of a businessman. Negosyo kay Trump, hindi yung ideology. I mean, he does not really care about communism, about whatever. Of course, yung mga diktador, pati yung terrorism, talagang ayaw natin yan. But it is universal. It's not only America who hates it, but tayo, because we have been a victim of so many terrorist activities in the past.